Hello, in front of me I've got CARPURIDE, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay tab. In this video I'll show you how to connect your SD card to the tab and how to manage it. Firstly, let's take a look at the left side of the tab, and right here we've got this SD card slot. Simply plug it like this and push until you hear the click. And now it's plugged. To enter videos on your SD card, go to homepage and go to card. And that's basically it. If you want to uninstall it, again press right here, and now you can take out the card. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.